Hey guys, what's going on? This is Joshua Elder from joshelder.com, and in this video I want to show you how to sell products on YouTube. This is a topic that I can definitely talk on because I've been selling products on YouTube for the past 3 years, believe it or not. I worked in retail jewelry for about 7.5, 8 years, and it was YouTube that allowed me to quit my job and go full-time and sell products using this specific platform. Now, I want to give you some tips, some advice on how to leverage the YouTube platform to sell products. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm always uploading videos on a daily basis that will help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, fulfillment. So make sure you do that. And let's go ahead and dive into the content. So number one, the first thing that you need to do is you need to identify your target market. Who is it that you're speaking to? Who's your avatar? Who's your ideal customer? What I want you to do is I want you to take a pad and a pen. I want you to write down exactly what would your ideal prospect be typing into Google or YouTube search engine. So go ahead, pause the video and take a few minutes, and I want you to write down a list of 10 possible search phrases that your potential prospect or your potential client would type into YouTube or Google. So make sure that you really think about this, get in their head, think about what they think about when they get up in the morning, they brush their teeth, they take a shower. What are they thinking about when they drive to work? Do they have a job? Do they stay at home? What is it that they do? What is it that they're thinking potentially at each point of the day? Go ahead and write that down. And then after you write that down, what you want to do is you want to start to construct a video around that specific problem within your niche. Don't construct a video to answer every problem. You want to identify these specific micro problems and create content around them. What most people are doing is they create a piece of content and they just sell without any value whatsoever. So what you want to make sure that you're doing is you're using this strategy that I like to call selling without selling. Okay, so you're providing value, and by providing value, you're instantly positioning yourself as an authority, and then people start to take you seriously. They know that you're an expert, and they're more than likely to buy your products when you make a call to action at the end of your video. So content is king here, you guys. Make sure that you write out a list of problems, you write out specific subtopics that you could be talking about within these problems. And then what you want to do is you want to leave people wanting more of your information. And then what you can do is you can construct a webinar, you can send people to a sales page, you can send people wherever you want. And what I would do is I would include a link in the description of your video telling people exactly where to go to get more information. So the purpose of creating content is to really pre-frame them for what's to come. Get them excited to digest more information. And as they do that, they will automatically sell themselves. And so I've been highly successful by sending people straight to other people's offers, sending people to my own offers, sending people from free training like this training that I just gave to you to maybe a webinar where they can get more of their questions answered and get a full look and a full idea of the steps they need to take next to ensure that they succeed with whatever it is that they're looking to succeed with. So in your case, you want to be able to sell your products and services on YouTube. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some resources in the description below that will help you accomplish just that. I've got a full formula laid out showing you how to script your videos, what to say in your videos, how to position your videos so they rank at the very top of the search engines, right? How to get an endless amount of customers and leads inside your business daily using cost-free YouTube advertising strategies. So if you got value from this video, please like this video. Please comment below if you have any questions. And most importantly, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I'm always uploading videos on a daily basis that will help you in every area of your life and really helping you achieve full health and wealth. So appreciate you guys for watching this video. This is Josh Elder signing off, and we'll see you in the next video.